Hi there. In this video, I will guide you through how to share a task in Asana. With the help of my method, you will be able to share your task when you will create in Asana. You can share it on WhatsApp, on Instagram, or any other platform that you prefer or on which you want to share. So the first thing is open your application. Once it will be open. The first thing is head over to the taskbar. If you take a look on the bottom, you will see multiple options. From here, you have a tap on this option, My Task. Now, the first thing is create the task that you want to share on WhatsApp. Like I created this task. Now, in order to share it, what I need to do is take a look. On the right top, you will see 3 dots. Click on it, and here you can see the icon Share. Simply click on it, and all the platforms which are available in your mobile phone will be shown, and you can share it on that. So it was the way by which you can share your task in Asana.